We are heading out, guys. We're going to Sydney, taking my parents with us. Uelese, one of the best things about being sick, guys, is you never have to share. Wow. Finally checked into our hotel. Yeah. Let's get that in there.
This is a pull-out bed, Vicky. This is a fold-out bed. So they can sleep in here with you.
No, Molly.
You better like this video. You better like this video.
Morning, guys. Welcome back to our getaway vlog. So today is the day we are heading out, guys. Heading on out. We're going to Sydney, taking my parents with us, and it's just going to be a jolly time. It's going to be a jolly time. I'm excited just to get away. We haven't been away for a long time, and I'm just trying to get a holiday in before we potentially go back into lockdown. But today's the day. Where the heck are my glasses? Uelese just packing the car. Got our fishing rods up there. We're going to take them. Everything's packed now, guys. Our car's packed. We're about to go pick up mum and dad now. I got my glasses from Molly. Perfect. Babe, papi, ako men. Okay, guys, so we're here now. This is our holiday house. We finally arrived to our holiday, guys. This is the house.
What is that sound? No, the...
Mum's doing something.
Who got the instrument?
I did. I got it for Leslie. No, it's one of those toy ones.
He loves it. I feel like his trolley gets pushed around all day and all night.
Oh, does he?
Yep. This little thing here.
Excuse me?
Whose is that? That's my
What did you say?
He said push it.
Hey,
Evan.
I've never seen an African peel before.
Come here, show me. I'm trying to force it. She's like, have a look at the rooms. And I was like, oh, like $242 per night.
Bro, we're paying $4.90 per night per room. It's the bougie life. I thought, well, you know what? If we're going on holiday, let's. Oh my gosh. They had drumsticks and they sound way better.
Vicky's thumb is fat.
It's Molly. Please stop being rude to Auntie Vicky. That's what I've been saying.
Evan's bum.
Thank you, Evan.
Stop!
Evan's bum is so black.
Stop!
Molly. Are you feeling better?
Yes?
No, he's not feeling better for the holiday. He can't go. He's sick. Stay now.
I'm not.
Guys, we're trying to convince everyone to come with us. Oh my gosh, why do my eyes? They're not used to this. We're trying to convince everyone to come. Molly is keen for it, but she's trying to rally the other troops. Keen, Aussie. Keen, so. Yeah. Yo. Oh my gosh, it was so good.
Where's the other one?
Guys, this was a steak from the barbecue Christmas Day. My brother cooked on his new barbecue.
Huh?
That you guys would have seen. Bruh. This is what the hype is about. I never understood the hype about why steaks are so good. But man, this is literally why. It is melting in my mouth. We were meant to leave an hour ago, but we're still here. Oh, excuse me. We are still here. because my sisters are coming now. 2 of them are. Chrissy's staying. She doesn't want to go. She's gone to a birthday. So it's just going to be me, Sia, Molly, Aussie, and my parents. And Eddie and Eben. So they're going to be coming to Brighton, but they're not coming to Newcastle. Guys, we just pulled up to the last Bummel. So nice and shady. The weather is beautiful. I feel like the bomb, the Bureau of Meteorology, is that what it's called? Well, the bomb has been incorrect. Every time it's been saying that it's going to rain, it never rains. Or if it does, it says it's going to rain here, but it doesn't rain here. Which they're not always 100%, but I feel like they've been really bad lately. It said it was going to rain, but it's so beautiful. I'm going to walk around.
That's fair.
It's so nice. Oh, someone left their dog water here. Why? Aussie went and bought us some pies. Having a little pie break now. Ali. Mail pie. Guys, I feel totally fine. It's just my voice. It's just my voice. Also, one of the best things about being sick, guys, is you never have to share. On Christmas, I did not have to share anything. Not even with my nephews. Didn't have to share nothing. I was like, oh darling, I can't, I'm sick. Oh my god. My sisters are finally here. Molly's walking around stealing everyone's food. No food here.
Why?
I got snakes. You want a snake? You want a snake?
You like them snakes?
Oh!
Feel ground floor.
No. We're going to go to Mum and Dad's one first. Go press the button. Mum, scan your card. That's Mum and Dad's level. We're on level 8. Oh yeah, that's what I said to her.
Room 17.
Wow. Đây ấy nhiều đấy ạ. Wow. Wow, you get such a nice view, Mom.
Oh, sa audio face lily in summer. What one
It would be beautiful if it was sunny. Yeah. Let's go kain after. Nice. Should we go to our room? Ours is probably on the same, but downstairs there. Yeah. Bathroom's so beautiful. Yeah. That's nice. Look inside, they got a spa. Dude, I love the that light, that lamp. Oh my gosh, they always have these things everywhere we go, babe. Remember? They had it at Coogee. Um, 819. That one right there. It's a big door as well. Whoa.
TV on that window.
That was pretty good. That was pretty nice. Nice. Dude, I like ours. We got a big balcony. Finally checked into our hotel. Man, it feels so good to be on holiday. It's been a long freaking time. Excuse me, mother. Can you please stop? It's been a long time, guys. And I'm here for it. I'm all the way here for it. I don't know. Let's go check it theirs out. I just took some photos. I'm going to send it to a little fam chat. So, yeah. I got it.
8:45.
8:31 this way. Hey Eddie.
This is our room.
Oh, mga pula. Do you guys come to ours? You guys walk past us.
What number we use?
We're the big double door.
I saw that.
Yeah.
Whose room is that?
Mine and Aussie's.
Oh, give us that one.
Hey. Oh my gosh, this is a busy one. Actually, you guys got a nice view too.
I just don't like when there's no disabled parking. Let's go see your room.
Yeah, is your room big? And my room is number 10.
Are we all on level 8?
No, I'm on 8. Mum and Dad on 10.
Oh, wow, 10 boys close by here. Yeah, but it can't be none.
Oh, nice. So you got a nice little sitting room.
What the?
You can go congregate around here. I'll be coming in here.
Oh my gosh.
Excuse me, Molly. You better stop that.
Yes, Vicky. Oh, there's a pool.
We got a beautiful view.
Mama's eyes right there.
Guys, look at the pool.
Is Mum and Dad's room like this?
Hey, I wonder if the pool's heated.
So Mum and Dad's got a big. How come we don't have a big room here?
Well, Molly, you're definitely not gonna get a big room for.
Vicky paid like $1,200 a night. Look at this.
Stupid rubbish is that?
Ours was half price, so I guess less than half the size.
Oh, Mum and Dad's spa. Kaya ko yan. They've got their own sitting room. Why they got so much room and they didn't do anything here? This is a pull-out bed, Vicky. Vicky, this is a fold-out bed.
What is it for?
Yeah. So they can sleep in here with me.
No, Molly. Oh, so you go get our bags. We're gonna go up to show them Mum and Dad's room.
Really?
Molly was trying to change.
How was that so quick?
Guys, We're going down to dinner now with my parents, my sisters. We went down to the spa. It was awesome. Then Aussie came and had a spa here in our room. And I ordered a starter, but it came really late and we're going down. Huh? Big belly tings. Oh, we didn't have a mask. Just hold on, they're looking at me. So we're just dining in here. I spy with my little eyes something that looks brown.
Mate.
Yeah. I spy with my little eyes something that looks red.
It's satire.
Nah, it's Eddie's nose. I spy with my little eyes something with the color green.
Blind.
Yeah, Aussie got it.
I spy with my little eyes something with the color white and black.
This Aussie made it so obvious. You're actually so der. I got my food now. I got the Korean crispy chicken burger. Aussie got fish and chips. The girls got, I don't know. We all got mocktails. Mum got some crispy chicken. And Dad's salmon is coming.